morning, guys. Oops, I hear a baby crying. Anyway, I have eggs and sausage on the oven, and I'm having my morning coffee. And I did the dishwasher last night, so the sink is basically clear, which is so nice. So this morning I washed off, well, not with soap, but I rinsed off all of our pumpkin seeds so we can put them in the oven today. And then a little side note, we all are sick. So I got sick first, and that's why I didn't really vlog that much, but it was like a 24-hour flu. I had it first, and then Aspen got it, and we both had like a fever for 24 hours, and Aspen has like a bunch of congestion and that kind of stuff. So I went to Target and I got elderberry for the kids to take, and they didn't have any elderberry for adults, so I've just been taking the kids. And then I got Airborne Immune Health for the kids to take. And I got myself Airborne for myself to take. It's like an immune support gummy. And we have been feeling so much better. We've been taking them for 3 days and I feel rejuvenated. I feel great. But anyway, let me finish breakfast and go get the baby. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Finish breakfast.
Wait,
And get the baby. Come here, big girl.
I wasn't recording the whole
Good.
I
Look
did.
at this big girl.
She's so big!
That girl.
Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt.
Silly.
Look at my shirt.
Alright, eat your breakfast. I'll get the syrup. Eat your breakfast. I just got done feeding the baby. Look at this chubby girl. She is getting so big. I don't know if I like addressed this or not, but I kept saying that she weighed 5 pounds 7 ounces. And when I watched back my birth video, well, when I was editing my birth video, my doctor actually said that like when she weighed her on the scale, she said 5 pounds 5 ounces. So I think she typed it in the computer wrong, because she registered her as 5 pounds 7 ounces, and that's what like the pediatrician is going off of. But in the video, she clearly says 5 pounds 5 ounces, and I have the grams recorded, and I googled the grams, and the grams are actually, it was like 2.48 something, and that actually equals 5 pounds 5 ounces, like just right under. So they got that wrong, but she actually was 5 pounds 5 ounces, and she was so tiny. She's still in preemie clothes, but she's getting so big. Look at this big girl. Oh my goodness. I just can't even. Look at that big girl. Oh my god, she's so cute. Anyway, I just want to say what happened with breakfast. I'm just feeling really good today. That's why I picked up the camera. I have not felt this good in days, and I just want to say I never make good hearty breakfasts like that anymore. I literally usually just whip something together like at almost lunchtime for breakfast. Like, we're not even eating at normal times. Life has been so crazy with the baby and with school, and I don't want to get into it. If anyone wants to talk about it, I can make a whole separate video, but the elephant in the room is that Taylor has not been here for quite some time. He's been not in any of the videos, so that has been a thing all in itself. And if anyone wants a video on that, I can make a separate video. But today's just going to be a vlog of what we do today. And if anyone, she's squirming. If anyone would like, I think that I'm going to do like a whole 24 hours with a newborn again. And then I also think I'm going to do another morning or night routine, just because I want to. Do you guys think you'd like that? I don't know. But I think that'd be a good idea. I actually have to put her down though because I need to get some wash and some other things done. So that's what I'm gonna do.
And I'm gonna be go to my channel and subscribe on her channel.
You need to clean your face.
And I'm gonna be making some vlogs with you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys in a minute.
Okay, so I haven't picked up the camera in quite some time, and that is because little miss was cluster feeding over and over and over, and I was struggling just to even like make lunch for the girls. We didn't ever end up actually eating lunch, but I did get them like a couple snacks in between doing stuff with her, and I think the snacks satisfied them enough. So we didn't get to do that, but I did just lay her down. I was trying to see if she would go to sleep on her own, but I think she wants to eat again, so I'm going to be stuck on the couch for even longer. And I was feeling really motivated today because I've been really unmotivated and really like depressed, and like look at my house. Everything is a mess. It's just overwhelming. And it's really hard not to get down on myself about it. So I made myself some personal goals. I want to start reading a book, make that plural. I just want to start reading again. Work on keeping my cool. Take gentle parenting steps. Spend at least 10 minutes a day alone with each kid. Put things away right away instead of leaving them sit. Set a timer for the kids' YouTube social media. Stop cursing, because as embarrassing and as shameful as it is, I have begun cursing at my children, and just very inappropriate. It's not like me, and I don't like it. I want to change it. So it's one of my personal goals that I want to stop doing, because it's something that I feel really shameful about, and it doesn't make my kids feel good about themselves, and I'm just very frustrated. So it's something that I'm going to work on. And then I also have, it's okay to throw things away, because I like to, I'm sorry, I'm crying because I just feel so guilty that I curse at them. But I have throw things away on there because oh my gosh, the postpartum hormones are nothing to joke about. Anyway, I hold on to everything. I keep way too many things. It makes my house cluttered, and I need to start just throwing things away. So those are my personal goals that I'm going to work on. And I'm gonna kind of set like a me time in the mornings where I can do some things and the girls can do school or whatever, and I can just take those me times to relax. So this baby looks so cute today in her little pink buffalo plaid outfit. But look at that little booty. Look at that little baby booty. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get this baby to sleep, and then I'm gonna clean. Now, let's lay her down so she doesn't wake up. Hey guys, so if you can hear in the background, the baby is crying again, wanting to eat again, and she woke up once after I laid her down and I fed her and she fell right asleep, so I put her back down and now she's up again. All I literally got accomplished was cleaning this table, vacuuming the couch, folding the blankets, and alright, and I reorganized the craft drawer. So I literally only got 3 things done, and now I'm gonna be stuck sitting with the baby again. So tomorrow, oh gosh, she puked. She puked. So I just got done feeding this little turd.
This little turdy boy.
And her nose is so stuffy. I'm actually gonna order a pickup order from Target of the nose Frida so I can suck her boogers out, because can you get the bulb syringe?
This doesn't get her boogers out.
Yeah, we tried this and it ain't working. So we're ordering the nose Frida.
We hate it.
We're gonna get you the nose Frida and get rid of those boogies.
Wait, I wanna say something.
What?
We hate it. Sorry.
Psych.
Mommy.
What's on your nose? What's on your nose?
Her grandma.
Your grandma?
Who? Oh, hey guys. What are you doing here on stomach? I just got a boo-boo and it hurt a lot, so I was crying too much. So I got a band-aid. Look at this ring. When you crunch them, it's a good crunching sound. Listen. Isn't that good? This is my first size eye. Well, we better get catching up to my sister. Let's go. I don't know why I was doing this.
Out! Woo! Now jump in it. Throw it.